Combine range is a feature that lets you render a specific segment of the sequence using an index range. Let's set it up. Enable Combine Objects, Combine Lights, Combine Cameras, and Combine Materials. The total number of images to export is 90. Next, enable the Combine Range option. A menu appears with two fields, Start and End. Start, the index where the render begins, default is 0, though it's possible to change it. End, the index where the render stops. With Start set to 0, and End to 1, only one image will be exported out of the 90. Let's change the end value to 15. Now, 15 images will be exported from the 90 available combinations. Set Start to 2. The number of images drops to 13. Launch the render. Once complete, open the export folder. And here they are, the 13 images have been successfully generated. That's it for the Combine Range feature. Thanks for watching.